Hi, I'm Steve. I'm one of the developers at Give It On, and today I'd like to demonstrate our kiosk tablet. Now, what this is an Archos 10.1 Internet tablet. It's a standard Android 2.1 powered device. And what we did was we took the idea of a kiosk, that's something that you would let a business owner client use in order to gather customer information, be it a restaurant, doctor's office, dentist office, any brick and mortar store. We can envision 10, maybe even 4, 5 years from now, every brick and mortar store, restaurant, dentist, doctor's office having several of these types of devices. And what purpose they serve is to gather customer information. Now, this being an Android device, if we kept it as a regular Android device and built a regular application for it, there would be a lot of other applications that could be downloaded. People could get on the internet, play games, get on their email. Lots of different distractions that take away from the customer information acquisition process. Also, with all those different distractions, this also has a very good likelihood of getting up and walking out of whatever business, because it's a valuable, it's valuable to a consumer if they can play these different games and so forth on it. So what we did is we created a monolithic application, meaning that we actually hacked into the Android operating system and redesigned it to make it where it's only going to run one application. That's all this does, is whatever we want it to do. Okay, and we can reprogram this on the fly, client by client, industry by industry, with very, very little cost to us. So just as an example, just showing you some behind-the-scenes developer stuff. This is where we can actually get into and change the settings if we want to. There's a password, so it's password protected. We're not going to go through all that. We're just going to show you what it looks like to a client once we deliver it. Now here you have the text, allow client to determine custom message for this area, and the little Android robot. And we left it this way just for demonstration purposes. What the client would do is they would have their logo and their call to action here. Enter your cell phone number for great text coupons. Enter your name and email address for the daily deal. And we can collect that information and send it back to our database. We can send it to our database and then their database if they have one set up. For example, like a dentist office, doctor's office, they have their own IT systems that we can communicate with. And we can do whatever we want to do with this device. And that is all this device will do. So it's portable, it's handheld, it's very, very inexpensive, as opposed to a business. If they wanted to get their own kiosk to do the same thing, it would cost at least $7,000 with programming. We can deliver these for around $1,000. Our cost is roughly $200 per unit, and that's with programming. So this is the future of customer data acquisition, and we are the first people in the world, and we've looked, to be able to take an Android device and hack it to make it become a monolithic customer data acquisition machine. Thank you.